Alonissos Island is a founding member of the Blue Municipalities Network. This is a unique case at European level, which has been also identified by European Union. It includes 25 municipalities under a legal status that have developed holistic initiatives around Greece. Aegean Breath is a grassroots organization that operates through volunteers. So the only thing I can say is that I'm really proud for this team because it's a civil society movement.
The Aegean Breath, its main role is not to clean those places. Its main role is to research according to those rubbish and find the source of the pollution in each area. We visited 4 areas to check whether we find rubbish in those areas. In most of those areas we didn't find, because Alonissos is a very green island and is part of the marine park. But in some areas we did find rubbish, which is in the main port in Voci, where most of the traveling and tourism and fishermen activity is happening. Take care of the place where your community lives, because this is just one community here, and if every island had the same interest in taking care of their environment, we'll have the Alonissos situation in much more islands.
The civil society can achieve everything. People all over the globe should know that we have the strength to change everything. We really believe in the individual responsibility of people. We invest on this, and we'll be happy to share our experiences to other movements or people that would like to make a difference at local level.